Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com. I just wanted to follow up quickly on a video we did yesterday on gaps and show you one other quick strategy here. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, please go back and watch it. But if you have, here's a quick example. Once again, there was a gap up here. What we do is allow this bar to close. We mark the high, we mark the low, we wait for a close, not a trade, but a close outside of one of those lines, and we put our stop on the other side. So once we got to close here outside, we go long, we put our stop just below this line here, and off it goes. All right, there's another quick example here. There we go, gap down. You let this bar close, you wait, or you mark that low or the high and the low, wait for a close outside of it, you put your stop on the other side, and off it goes. All right, but I noticed something here that I want to share with you. Let me quickly remove these drawings and bring it back into focus right here. This is a new formation that I want to talk to you about. So you had a gap up here. You had a couple of candles. The high and the low were neither one was breached. And then you had another gap down. So this is what we call an island reversal formation. Why? Because you have a gap up here. You have a gap down there, which means that these candles here are on an island of their own, right? So it could be two candles, could be 20, could be any number of candles. But when you have a gap up on one side and a gap down on the other, leaving these isolated on their own, it's called an island reversal, and it is one of the strongest charting patterns out there. So when you see this, you trade it pretty much like a gap. Once you get confirm that second gap down, you let this bar close, you mark that low, you mark that high, and once you get a close outside of it, like we did right here, you put your stop on the other end, and off it goes. All right, keep an eye out for these very powerful charting platform. If you like the video, click like and follow us, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.